In this video, which is part 3 of a 10 series video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use AI to build your website. I know website building can be super overwhelming. Getting the right description, not knowing what to write, not knowing the size chart and stuff like that. Sometimes um and when you even outsource it, people take like weeks, not even months, to help you build your website. But today, I promise you, if you use the process that I'm about to teach you, especially the tips that come at the very end of this video, you will have a website up in like a day or two. And if you're the kind of person that takes action quickly, in less than a day, you should have your website up. So let's do this.
Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello, everyone. My name is Idaya. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we help busy women save time and boost self confidence by designing show stopping, size inclusive, effortless, modest fashion. I'm also a business coach with over a decade of experience. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a nurse, and I love absolutely everything I do. Today is part 3 of 10 episodes of how to use AI to take your business to the next level. If you're new here, this channel, Wealthy Moms Club, is to help you either bring your business to life, take your business to the next level, build generational wealth, get business funding, free money, money you can pay back, everything business, how to start a business from home with multiple children with $0, just like I did. Like I could you could learn so much for this channel. But have you subscribed? If you're new here, subscribe. And if you are if you're an OG, put an OG in the comment. If you're a newbie, put a newbie so I can know how to welcome you properly into the house. Okay. So today we are talking about how to use AI for product description on your website. First and foremost, this is not a paid ad. I feel like I need to start reaching out to these people because I be using all their ads and it be working for me. This is not a paid ad, but if you are looking to build a website and you do not know where to start and you do not have a lot of money and you're just looking to maybe test your product for 1 to 90 days, Shopify is the website for you. If you have a product based business, Shopify is the website for you. You can literally pay $3 for 90 days, $1 per month for $3 for 3 months to test out your product. We are still going to be using my sample products, the candle, the Walk Away Your Worry candle, created for health professionals. That was an example that I made in part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched it, the link should be around here on the screen somewhere. You could go back and watch it after watching this video. It's still going to make sense, especially if you watch it to the end. So I'm going to assume you have already taken your pictures. If you haven't taken your candle pictures, we're using candle as an example, go ahead and go on Amazon and buy a lighter box. These lighter boxes can be between $35 and maybe $90. Remember, when you want to make money, you spend money. A lot of times we want to start a business, but we want to start it with $0, which is absolutely fine. But if you want to stand out of the crowd, which you should be aiming to do, if you want to be unique, if you want people to your product and your services to stop the scroll, you have to do a little extra. If you buy this lighter box, you can buy prompts, you can buy leaves, whatever kind of emotions you want to trigger. Like if I was the one, because I'm targeting health professionals, I could buy miniature like stethoscopes and thermometers. I'm going to continue to do things that's going to draw my target audience in, right? So I'll buy that and I'll take pictures. I'm only starting with 3 sample candles. I'll take multiple pictures, multiple videos. I'm also going to let somebody take videos of me taking those pictures, which will be my behind the scenes that I'm going to use for my social media page. Okay, that's a tip right there. So I'm going to take these pictures and I'm going to find a free template, right? Listen to this. There are paid templates on Shopify. There are free templates. Don't let people fool you. And the advantage of using free templates is if you reach out to Shopify customer service, they can easily help you because it's their templates. If you use another template that you have to pay for, they cannot help you because that's not their company. That's an affiliate. Okay. So you are going to pick a free basic. Remember, always remember as a business owner, you want to be clear, not clever. Less is more. You want to be as basic as possible when you want to start so you don't overwhelm yourself. Get a template that is really basic. That's all you need. Really basic. And then you can watch videos on how to brand the website. Maybe you already have a simple logo. Don't sleep on you. You can always change your logo at any time. Whatever logo you can create on Canva, that is fine. Make sure your pictures are all white background. Like, don't do too much. Just keep it at a white background. You can put some prompts, maybe like put some leaves, maybe like, whatever prompts you want to put just to bring it to life. And if you don't want to put any prompts, that's okay as well. But for your product description, there is an AI for it. Write it in any way possible you know how to write it. Maybe I'll say aroma therapy candle, right? This is a therapeutic candle made specifically for health professionals to calm their nerves down after working on their feet for so long. So you are a business owner, or maybe you're an aspiring business owner. You have a business idea, you want to bring it to life, or you already have a business, but you're struggling, you're not getting consistent sales, you are not getting daily sales. You're marketing, or maybe you don't know how to market right. You need somebody to guide you through step by step, hold your hand, and help you get to your success goal to this year. This year in 2025 is going to be different because you're going to do it differently. Because if you're expecting a different result and you're doing it the same way every time, that means you are out of your mind. But if you want to see different results, you need to join the 90-day mentorship program. How can you join the 90-day mentorship program? The first thing you need to do is to join my calendar. I'll have my calendar link below. So we can have a free 15 minutes consultation call to see if I'm the good fit for you and if you're a good fit for me, because I cannot work with anybody. But if you know you have the zeal, you have the energy, and you are willing to put in the work, the 90-day mentorship program is for you, females only. And I can't wait to see you inside. Assalamu alaikum. Then I'll say the ingredients include maybe soy oil. Every ingredient is healthy and good for the body. Maybe I would say it has peppermint oil, it has tree oil. I'm going to count all the benefits and whatever, minimum, not too much information. And then there is an AI tool in the Shopify description. If you click on that AI tool, you can say, make this a professional. It's going to ask you what tone. You could say you want it a professional tone. You could say you want it a friendly tone. You could say you want it to be a persuasive tone. Whatever tone that aligns with your brand, you pick it. And within a twinkle of an eye, it's going to professionalize and make it SEO friendly description for you. Okay. Because I know a lot of times as business owners, we are always stuck on the description. It's going to give you the description you need to rank on Google. Okay. So it's going to replace it with the draft that you put in there, and you're going to do it for all the three candles, and bam. Okay. You're going to go to the back end. You're going to you can set up one payment option, just PayPal, because PayPal can take any credit cards. Do not, or Stripe, it's called. Don't overwhelm yourself with trying to do, oh, I'm going to do Afterpay, I'm going to do this at the get go. Do one payment processor. That could be PayPal. Let PayPal receive all the payments, so you are good to go and you can turn on your website. Make sure before you turn it on, share it to family and friends, and make sure everything is working behind the scenes. When it comes to shipping, because a lot of times we get stuck on, oh, I don't know how to do the shipping. Just do a flat rate shipping. If you want to do a flat rate shipping of $8 or $10 within the United States or within Nigeria, wherever you are, make sure you do a flat rate. Go to the back end and set up your shipping. If you do not know how to set up your shipping, go on YouTube right here. You will see Shopify has created multiple videos to help you. Whatever you are stuck at, just search it on YouTube. While you are watching it, this is what I do. Don't say, I'm going to watch it and do it later. While you're watching it on your phone, get your laptop out and set it up. You can slow it down, you can forward it, you can rewind it until you get it set up. Before you know it, if you're a goal getter, I need you to put goal getter in the chat. If you are an action taker, in less than a day, you will have a website rolling. You will have people to test it. By the second day, your website will be ready to be pushed out. I hope this video helps as many people as possible. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscription button. If you think you're going to need more help to bring your business to life, or maybe to scale your business because you're stuck, you haven't been making consistent sales, or you need funding for your business and you've never won a business grant before, you need to join the Patreon. But if you want one-on-one mentorship, one-on-one coaching to take your business to the next level, you need to book a free 15-minute consultation call so I can talk to you and see if you're a great fit. Because I don't work with everybody, because not everybody is worth my time. Some people are not ready to put in the work in, but if you believe you're ready to put in the work in and your time is now, you can email me and I'll
Cover
send
me
you my
cute
calendar so you
now.
can hop on it. And I
I
can't
got the
wait to
juice
see you
now.
in my
The
next video.
radiance, the
Assalamu alaikum wa
modesty, it's
rahmatullahi wa
everything.
barakatuh.
Honestly, all the things that point